season again. My sister recently got her humidifier out of storage, and no surprise, it was quite dirty. Luckily for her and you, cleaning your humidifier is simple and easy. First, you'll want to get white vinegar and water. You'll measure 2 tablespoons of vinegar to 2 cups of water. You can put the solution into the tank and swish it around and get it clean. If there are some tough spots, you can add crushed ice or use a bottle brush. For the base itself, you can also take a Q-tip and clean around the area as well. Leave the solution sitting in the base for at least 20 minutes and then go ahead and rinse. If you're needing extra cleaning, you can use bleach, but be careful because it is in fact bleach. Once you are done, rinse it out thoroughly and you're ready to go. Simple.